Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The equilibrium constant for hydration of a carbonyl compound, formation of gemdiol, depends on how electrophilic the carbonyl carbon is and how much steric hindrance is present around it. More electrophilic, electron-poor, carbonyl carbon and less steric bulk both favor hydration, giving a larger equilibrium constant. Moving on to the next step. A. Acetone, two electron-donating methyl groups attached to carbonyl, significant steric hindrance. Least reactive toward nucleophilic addition. B. Acetaldehyde, CH3CHO1 methyl group, electron-donating, and 1H, less steric hindrance than acetone. C. Chlorostone, CH3CH2Cl1 methyl, electron-donating, and 1CH2Cl, weakly electron withdrawing via induction, but remote, slightly more electrophilic than acetone but ketone still has two carbon substituents. D. Formaldehyde, HCHO2H atoms, no electron-donating alkyl groups, least steric hindrance, most electrophilic carbonyl. Highest cake. E. Chloroacetaldehyde, ClCH2CHO1H and 1CH2Cl, the electron-withdrawing Cl increases electrophilicity of carbonyl compared to acetaldehyde, more reactive than acetaldehyde but less than formaldehyde. Moving on to the next step. A. Ketone, two methyl groups, most hindered least electrophilic, C. Ketone but 1CH2Cl group, slightly better than A. B. Aldehyde, 1-methyl, E. Aldehyde, 1CH2Cl more electrophilic than acetaldehyde, D. Formaldehyde, most electrophilic, least hindered. This gives the order ACBED. And for the final step, this matches option B ACBED. Why other options fail? A. ABCD ignores that chlorostone, C. is more reactive than acetone but less than acetaldehyde, and places E after D incorrectly. C. ACEBD would mean chloroacetaldehyde is less reactive than acetaldehyde, which is incorrect since Cl is electron withdrawing. D. CABED places chlorostone below acetone, which is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.